I'm Gary
And I'm Sydney.
with Clawson Honda, and we're on the road making a delivery of copiers and printers to big brothers and sisters of Central California as part of our Clawson Cares initiative to pay it forward to our community.
We've been updating our office equipment, but we wanted to make sure that our used equipment was put to good use. Big brothers and big sisters were in need, and so it was a perfect fit for Clawson to help out with this donation of 6 printers. Big Brothers Big Sisters provides children facing adversity with strong and enduring one-to-one relationships that change their lives for the better. So tell me, so how does this donation of printers actually help Big Brothers and Big Sisters?
Oh, we're so excited. We serve 4 counties, Fresno, Madera, Kings, and Tulare County, and we're always in need of printers. We have some that's broken, so this is really going to help because a lot of our other offices would come to the headquarters and do printing. So now that we have extra, we could save on mileage and time. So thank you so much. You guys don't realize how much this means to us as a nonprofit. Anything is appreciated.
Absolutely, and on behalf of Clawson and Clawson Cares, I just want to say we're thankful that we're able to help out and make the donation.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Absolutely. Clawson Cares is proud to help and support an organization that has a direct and lasting effect on the lives of young people.
Thanks, Clawson, for caring about Big Brothers Big Sisters of Central California.
And sharing the love.